Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing good at your places. So, in today's English class, we are going to start one topic of English writing, that is writing skill, posters making. You have draft posters, you have make posters, you have made posters so many times. In drawing, yes, in a drawing subject, you have draft posters so many times. This time you are doing posters making or posters writing or drafting posters in English. Most of the things are similar, just in making posters in a language subject. Now you are doing posters making in English. So you have to keep it in your mind. You have to focus on language also. You can use drawing, you have to use drawing to make it visually attractive, but because this time you are making posters for subject English, for a language subject, so you have to keep it in your mind. You have to focus on language also. So first of all, let us understand posters making. What is poster making? What is the use of posters making? A poster is useful and an easy means for making a brief communication with people. Yes. While drafting posters, actually, we are communicating with the people. We are communicating with the people because these posters are visually attractive. Now, posters are a common sight in the cities nowadays. Yes, I have taken name of cities. We can say nowadays we can also see posters in villages also, in towns also, but they are very common sight in cities. They can be spotted either on the bus stops, public private buildings. You can see notices anywhere. So I think you all have seen, you all have draft in English. So what is the purpose of posters making? Why we are learning posters making in English? Because posters, language is also a means of communication. Now in English we are learning language, so posters can be used for various purposes such as seeking support. Yes, if we have to seek support of somebody, sometimes some NGO, some needy person seeks support, some organization seeks support of the people. So what they do, they just make a poster, they just draft a poster and put it on the city walls. And the major purpose, and in your syllabus in class 5 we are taking the purpose which we are involving in your syllabus, spreading awareness. Yes, we use poster for spreading awareness. As you have seen all these days, there are so many posters outside the walls of parks and in many public places. You have seen spreading awareness about corona, how to prevent corona, how to take care during corona time. So you have seen the posters. So the purpose, that is a major purpose, it is for spreading awareness. Asking for help, as I have also told you, is seeking support, giving warning like global warming, we have to grow more and more trees, we have to save water. So these kind of warning can be given while drafting the poster or while making the posters. Invitations, yes, sometimes there are the openings of big malls or markets, so invitation can be given, an announcement. Posters are generally issued on the issues that are in public interest. Yes, because people in which they will take people, they are interested in the things. Naturally, the issue, the main focus of the poster is the issues that are in public interest. It may be of spreading awareness or seeking help or for any advertisement. They can be spotted on the bus stops, public private buildings, and other places as well. And they are very useful because of their strong visuals. Now we have so many other mediums by which we can convey. If we have to do the advertisement of anything, of any product. One medium is social media or television or radio, but posters are visually attractive. Now we are not all the time sitting in front of TVs, or we are not listening all the time radios. But if you are going anywhere, you are coming from anywhere, you can see the posters anywhere, and they are very visually attractive. You have seen the posters of movies. So what they do, actually what they do, they visually attract you. मतलब दूर से ही they just look eye catchy. So naturally people get attracted towards the poster. So this is the main purpose, and in your syllabus we will mainly do spreading awareness, the posters related to spreading awareness. Now the main thing is, what is the format of posters making. Actually there is no fixed format for a poster, but you can keep the some points in your mind. You and I think you should and you must keep some points in your mind while drafting a poster. Now देखो, posters are used by advertising agencies. If they have to advertise any product like any soap or toothpaste, so they also make posters, and they put it on the city walls. Filmmakers have told you earlier, for you see the posters of movies. Government departments, like abhi jo you see the posters for coronavirus or save water or polio drops, these all are the posters which are issued by the government departments. Then social workers, welfare department, people who want to do welfare for the society, or schools, colleges, for it may be for the advertisement. ठीक है, sometimes you see कि some students have scored 90%, 90% above, and just they are doing the advertisement of the schools, NGOs, agencies, hospitals, religious people and groups, then health department, police department, clubs, arts groups. So there are so many organizations who issue the posters. So as I have told you, there is no fixed format, so just you have to keep some points in your mind. And what are the points? The message should be clear. Yes, the message should be clear. Whatever message you want to convey through the poster, it should be clear. Means there should be no room for ambiguity. Yes, there should be no room, it should be clear. What do you want to convey to the people? And you have to include the theme. What is a theme? Means if you have to draft a poster for spreading awareness ki don't burn crackers, have a safe Diwali, at least this Diwali you should not burn crackers. So your theme should be clear. And sometimes there is some event. So in event, during the event you have to mention the date, time, and venue also. But in your class we are going to take only spreading awareness posters. So theme should be clear, your message should be clear, your topic should be clear, and use minimum and effective words, because you have to make it eye catchy, you have to make it visually attractive, कि दूर से ही दिखाई दे रहा हो कि पोस्टर, इट इज़ ए पोस्टर. इट शुड नॉट लुक लाइक कि ठीक है व्हाट यू हैव रिटन, इट इज़ नॉट लुकिंग कि आपने बिल्कुल स्मॉल स्मॉल लेटर्स में लिख दिया है, बट मैसेज शुड बी क्लियर एंड इट शुड बी आई कैची. सो इसके लिए आई कैची के लिए व्हाट यू कैन यूज़ कैपिटल लेटर्स, यू कैन यूज़ बोल्ड लेटर्स. ओके, एंड effective words. Now effective words, you can use quotes, you can use quotations, or some positive motivational words. If you have to spread the awareness, उससे related कोई slogan you can write. It should be attractive and eye catchy, because poster means visually attractive. I have told you that we can also draft a poster for any event, and we also write notice for event. So what is the basically difference between a notice and poster? Ki a notice should be also eye catchy, but poster should be more eye catchy and more visually attractive. So this is the format. What you have to you have to first as I told you कि मतलब you will draw a box first, you will make a box first, and inside the box, in box will just work like the like you have drawn the boundary of a wall. Okay, जैसे आप किसी city की wall पे you have to put the poster, so box will work like that. So what you will do first, you will make a box, and inside on the first line, what you can do, you can put the topic name in capital letters. For example, no crackers this Diwali, safe Diwali. Okay, so like this, you can put the theme or the topic in the front in bold letters and capital letters. Now you can use slogans also. You can use what I have told you ki you have to make it visually attractive. Now visually attractive, naturally drawing will make, but you have to keep it in your mind. You are making poster for language subject, so you have to keep it in your mind ki your language should be attractive also. So what you can do, you can use mastic drawing और boxes और shapes. इस तरह से आप अपना, जैसे आप पाई चार्ट बना रहे हो या बॉक्स में कुछ लिख दोगे, कोई अच्छा सा स्लोगन और आई कैची quotation you can write, or you there should be proper gap and margin between two quotations. You can put stars, you can put dots to highlight. You have to highlight your points to remember, do's and don'ts, like this. So now I'm showing you what one sample of poster, and this is the sample of drafty poster inspiring people for blood donation. So you have to put the poster in a box. What you will do, they have just what they have done कि इन्होंने थोड़ा सा जो बॉक्स है थोड़ा सा अट्रैक्टिव सा बनाया, बट यू हैव टू मेक अ सिंपल बॉक्स. Now what they have done, they have just put the topic or the theme in capital letters, blood donation camp, or you can write here Raktadaan Mahadan, uh, any quotation related to any quotation related to blood donation, or blood donation is a noble cause. So like this you can make it eye catchy. Have now they have just put plus sign, you can make a star here. Okay, dots, dark dots here. Now what they have done here, they have where the blood donation camp is going to held on Friday 8th April 2020. From timing उन्होंने यहाँ लिख दिया, and venue they have to, what they have done, they have just try to proper give the margin between two words. A supreme blood donation is a supreme gift. You can by giving blood you can save one's life. So let no blood be shed. These are the just choices. You can write your own slogans. Let no blood be shed by violence. Donate bloods. You can write in center, donate blood, save life. आपको इतना लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Let no blood be shed by violence. Give the gift of blood, the gift of life. So but you have to use bold letters. You can make this drop of blood in the center. Every drop counts, and same quotation you can use for save water. Now they have just highlight some points. इस तरह की drawing you have not to use कि the patient is lying on the bed. No need. Just use the mastic drawing, or shapes you can make, boxes you can make. You can use highlighters means stars बनाइए plus के sign, or dots. सो ह्यूमन ब्लड मतलब दे हैव टू स्प्रेड अवेयरनेस कि अगर आप खून देते हो तो आपको कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा. इट कांट बी प्रोड्यूस आर्टिफिशियली, इट हैज़ नो सब्सटीट्यूट, इट इज़ अ लाइफ लाइन ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स. जस्ट टू हाईलाइट द पॉइंट्स. एंड आफ्टर डोनेशन ब्लड डोनेटेड इज रिप्रोड्यूस की जस्ट टू स्प्रेड द अवेयरनेस कि who will give the blood, who will donate the blood, there is no harm to him or her, and the blood donated is reproduced within a few days. So like this you have to make it eye catchy. So I hope now naturally practice makes a man perfect. Naturally writing skill, any topic requires a lot of practice.